guys! So this is a different sort of video for me. So like I said in my 2020 goals video, one of my main goals for this year is to get married. And I've kind of started planning stuff out a little bit here and there. Now it is just going to be a simple courthouse wedding. That's what we want. We don't really want a big hurrah where we have to invite a bunch of people. And like I've mentioned before, me being in front of a lot of people and having to speak at some point, it would not go well. I would be sweating bullets. I would feel gross. I would be just so like flustered and embarrassed and nervous and scared. Like I would rather just go to a courthouse, have a nice, simple wedding, get a photographer, take some beautiful photos after the wedding, to always have those memories. Now, if I can, I would like to incorporate both of our dogs into some of the photos. I don't know how that would work because I don't know, like how we would have the dogs with us for the photos. Like we would have to figure that out, but I'd love to get like little bow ties for them to wear for the pictures. And so I'm still working on things. Clearly, this is not like a wedding planning video, but it's kind of like the start of one. I at least want to start talking about it more because I'm getting more excited to like actually get married, and I really do think it'll happen this year. So I wrote just like some notes down just recently, of things that like we need or things that like I already like know are going to happen. So basically like I have my dress, I have my shoes. We would need to get a marriage license, which I think my friend just wrote me and told me that they're $47 here in Missouri, but to double check because she wasn't entirely sure. So we would have to get a marriage license, I believe, within 30 days of getting married, or you get the marriage license and have to get married within 30 days of having it, something like that. But obviously that's like one of the biggest things that we need. Another big thing that we need are wedding bands. Now, if you guys have noticed in my videos, I am wearing 2 rings. Obviously, this one is my engagement ring. This one was just a little gold band that I got from my grandma's house after she passed away. It does say that it is 14 karat gold, and it fit my ring finger perfectly, and I don't know why. I just put it on with my engagement ring. It's kind of special to me because it was my grandma. She was my favorite grandma. She like meant the world to me. So I've just always been wearing it with my engagement ring, even though it doesn't technically match. And I originally told my fiance, like, you don't have to buy me a wedding band. We can just use this as my wedding band. But I think what I want to do is I still want a wedding band to kind of match my engagement ring. But I told him it does not have to be expensive whatsoever. As long as it's, as long as it's not going to tarnish or anything, like, I'm okay with that. It does not have to be expensive at all. So I still need to get wedding bands, one for him, and we need to get one for me. We need to get an outfit for my fiance to wear. I would love for him to wear black chucks with his outfit, but I don't think I can talk him into it. I just don't think he's into chucks. I just thought it would be so cute because my shoes are chucks. Let me go ahead and show you those. I had them made on Etsy, so they were pretty pricey, but I'm obsessed with them. They are the cutest shoes I've ever seen. So this is what they look like. I'm so excited to wear these. So it has just like little rhinestones here. It's really hard to see, but like this little white bow. And then just like all these like pearls attached to the shoe with some ribbon, shoelaces. I am totally obsessed with these. I got mine in a size 6. and they fit me perfectly, and they go so well with my dress, which I will insert footage of in just a little bit. So we need my fiance's outfit, we need our wedding bands. I need to get an outfit for my son because I obviously want him involved in the photos, and I don't know if I want him in like khakis or black pants or gray pants, depending on what my fiance is wearing. I would prefer my fiance in gray because I kind of want him in like gray pants with like a white button-up shirt with the sleeves rolled up and like a gray vest. Don't know if I can talk him into wearing that or not, but then I would kind of want my son to match that, but instead of a vest on him, I would want him in suspenders. Seriously, that'd be the cutest thing ever. And then if I could get little Chucks for my son, oh my God. And see, like, they wouldn't just be for that day. Like, my kid would wear the Chucks all the time. He would get use out of them, even though they are pricey for kid shoes. But anyway, so we do need an outfit for my son, an outfit for my fiance. Our wedding bands, definitely the marriage license, but obviously we don't get that until we're, like, ready to get married. Now, with courthouse weddings, I know you need witnesses. God, the door just like closed by itself and scared the crap out of me. Oh, no, it's just my son coming to join me. Give me just one moment, okay, guys? I swear he about gave me a heart attack. Okay, so...
Oh, he did.
That was rude. Outfit for fiance, outfit for son, bow ties for dogs, wedding bands, marriage license, farther down the line. Now with courthouse weddings, I know that you need witnesses, so I'm hoping that my fiance's brother will be his witness, and my sister already told me that she would be my witness. Now, I know my best friend told me that she would be my witness if I waited 3 years until she got back from Guam. I would love for her to be my witness, but as I've said before, I don't want to wait any longer to be married because we've been engaged for 7 years. So I'm ready to tie the knot. I'm ready to be like officially his wife and him officially be my husband. Even though we already act like an old married couple, I just want the title of being a wife, you know? I'm almost 30. Like, we got to make this happen before my 30th birthday, okay? He turns 30 in May, and then I turn 30 in June, so we need to make this happen as soon as possible. Let's see. Oh, I do want, like, some sort of bouquet. It doesn't have to be real flowers. I might find something on Etsy. Maybe I can make my own from stuff from Michael's and Hobby Lobby or something, but I've never done that before. I know my friend Holly's done it before, so maybe she could help me with that. She would probably love to help me. But I'm not sure how I want to go about doing that yet, but I do want some form of bouquet. And then I just plan to do like my own hair and makeup. Hopefully my hair is slightly longer by the time we get married, but I just plan to like have it down and kind of curled or wavy. And I mean, my makeup's not going to be anything special. It'll probably be something simple like this. Like, don't mind my makeup now. It's been on for a few hours, so it's looking a little like smudgy and not that cute, but just, you know, simple makeup. It's not going to be like bright pink like I've worn before, like a black smoky eye, but you know what? It is my wedding and I can do whatever the heck I want. But I just plan to do my own hair, my own makeup. Let's see, did I forget anything?
Mama.
I did say we want a photographer, obviously, to get pictures. Oh, give me just one moment, please. He is so funny, I swear. It is 2:05 in the morning. He just woke up and he like wanted me to come back to bed. And I was like, well, let me finish my video. And he was like, no, come now. And I was like, no, let me finish my video. And then he came back and was like, help me look for Hatchimals and then I'll go to bed. What? It's 2 in the morning and you want to look for Hatchimals? So I feel like this video is going to be a disaster because I'm like all over the place. I'm just like getting so excited I want to like start talking about it, you know? So I mean, I pretty much said everything that was on my list. And then I just put like later down the line, nothing right away, but like maybe after a couple of months. My fiance's uncle runs a park not that far from us, and they usually do like their family gatherings there. So I've been there plenty of times. Actually, like the Christmas that we got engaged, we went there and like surprised his whole family for Christmas that we were engaged. So it's like a special place for us. So it would be kind of cool to have a reception there and invite like friends and family to like celebrate us finally getting married. So that's my plan. Hang on. Now I hear noise. I think my mom was just making sure the door to the garage right up there is like locked or something, but like it always freaks me out when I hear noises like right above me. But yeah, so I showed you guys my shoes. I'll insert clips of my dress. Obviously I can't like show you like a trial hair and makeup thing yet, but maybe that'll be a video I can do soon. Like I can start practicing what I want for my wedding day and I can share that with you guys. That would be fun. I mean, I really don't have planning to actually do because it is a courthouse wedding. I mean, the only thing I have to worry about is getting the few things that we need and getting a photographer. You know what I mean? But I will insert photos at some point in the video of ideas for like what I want Alden to wear and Jeremy to wear and stuff like that. Now, it doesn't matter to me like what my sister or what Jeremy's brother were to wear as witnesses. I mean, they can dress nice if they want. They don't have to. I don't know if there's a rule about that. I've never done this before. My sister did have a courthouse wedding as well, so she should know. She should be able to help me with all the ins and outs of all of this. But either way, I just kind of wanted to come on here and like talk about my wedding because I'm actually getting really, really excited. Like, I know it feels like me and Jeremy are already married, but like just to have the title of wife and husband, like, I don't know. It feels amazing. It feels real, and I don't know. I do wish we would have done it either last year or the year before, just so my dad could have been there for it, but I know he'll be there in spirit, and he'll be extremely happy for me because my dad loved Jeremy, and that made me so happy, and my dad loved Alden, so I'm very blessed and grateful that my dad was around to meet Alden, to meet Jeremy, and to love them as much as I do. So, I don't even know what to call this video. I just wanted to like kind of talk about my wedding, even though it's not like a wedding, it's just a courthouse wedding. But it's part of my life and I wanted to share it with you guys. So again, maybe, one of my next videos, I can start like a trial hair and makeup kind of video, and just see how that goes. Now, I am not good at doing my hair, guys. I am not good at doing my hair. I'm literally impaired when it comes to doing hair, but I will try my best. I will try my best. Please don't judge me if my hair does not look good. The reason why my hair is in a bun all the time is because I can't do anything else with it. I just can't. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, so I will talk to you guys in my next video. I have to go help my son look for some Hatchimals at 2:10 in the morning and then get him back to bed. So that's how my night's gonna go. Good night, guys.